configuration and for the other things then. Okay, so then what is the budget and availability control? Okay, until now what we have seen, okay, let us assume fuel expenses. I have the fuel expenses. I have the fuel expenses. Okay, now let us assume fuel expenses I have allocated is a 1 lakh rupees. Okay, 1 lakh rupees for 10 vehicles. 1 lakh rupees for the 10 vehicles. Okay, so what is going to happen here? So for each and every vehicle, okay, for each and every vehicle, I have assigned the budget is at 10,000 rupees. Let us assume. Okay, so for each vehicle, fuel expenses 1 lakh rupees. I will mention for, I will mention so that vehicles 10. Okay, so what will happen? What is the cost then per vehicle cost is at 10,000 rupees. Okay, 1 lakh divided by 10. Okay, 10,000 rupees per vehicle. Okay, now now we want to set the budget limits like this. Okay, now the options. Okay, let us assume now management want to know which vehicle is running within the budget limit, which vehicle is running out of the budget limit. In this situation, how management will come to know? Maybe month end itself. Okay, once the postings will be done, once the month end, if they will go back and they will see, or else they will compare the budget and planned, then only they will come to know. But now that is also not sufficient to the management. Okay, what they would required, let us assume they are going to keep restrictions like this. The option number one in budget and availability control, budget and availability, budget and availability control options. So we have a three options. We have a three options. Okay, the three options, what they are going to, what they does is, now before crossing the budget, the 10,000 limit. Okay, the 10,000 limit, it will send alerts to the management. Okay, so different options are there. Three options are there. Budget and availability control options are three option. Option number one. Okay, the system by system. Okay, the system. Okay, let me. Okay, then option number one, when the budget, when the budget is crossing the limit 70%. Okay, 70%. Let us assume whenever the budget, okay, otherwise I'll keep it is 85%. Okay, 85%. Then what system should do? It's I mean the system should send the, okay, system should send the warning message. I mean system, then system reaction when the budget is crossing the limit 85%, nothing but your 8,500 rupees. System reactions. System system reactions. What system does is a, okay, then while creation of internal order, system should throw warning message to users, and it should also send auto email to dep- respective respective department head, department people. Okay, so who is the department head? So who is going to decide the budget for them? What system? The option number one. Option number one, if we set the option number one, what will happen? Give the warning message. Okay, warning message. Okay, first, okay, this is the option number two. Okay, I'll put it like this. Okay, option number one. Okay, I'll put like this. Then warning message. warning message. System will give only the warning message. Then to when the budget is crossing, okay, I will change the amount limit so that it will be easy for us to understand. I will change the 70% only. Okay, when the budget limit is crossing 85%. Okay, 85%, then system should throw the warning message, and as well as it should send the intimation to the users. Okay, then budget manager meaning that, so that while creation of the internal order, system should throw the warning message to users, and it should also send auto email communication to the budget manager. I'll mention straightforward to budget manager Okay, then option number 3. What is the option number 3? Okay, sorry, the option number 3, if I choose the option number 3, what will happen? Okay, give the error message. Give the error message. Give the error message in case we are crossing the we are we are crossing the budget limit 90% or 95%. Okay, so then what's okay? Okay, I mentioned some, one moment. When the budget is using, when we are crossing the budget limit, the straight question is that error message. Error message. Okay, now there are three options what we have now. Okay, now I am going to set in the limit. Okay, for each and every budget, for internal orders wise we can set up here. Okay, now when the budget is crossing 70%, system should throw the warning message. Okay, just the system is alerting to the users. Then in case if the system is crossing the budget limit 85%, okay, then we want to system should throw the warning message and as well as error message. Okay, then the option number 3. Okay, now in case if system is crossing the 95% of the budget limit, what system should do? System should stop users and it should throw the error message. Okay, so this and all the percentage what I have mentioned here, it is optional for you. How much percentage you want, you can keep it for your testing purpose, or in real time the organization people will decide that this percentage, when should give the warning message, when should give the error message, when should send the auto communication to the budget manager. Okay, so this and all will be okay. the- okay, okay, so this will be decided by the organization people. But for our understanding purpose, we just need to, I am going to do the configuration in this way. Okay, so here if anyone is having any further query, so please let me know before get into the configuration. Concept of budget and availability control, and also please take a note, this is also for your interview perspective, this is also important for you. It's a very important for your interview point of view. They may ask you. Okay, fine. Then let us go to the system configuration. SPRO, then controlling internal orders, then come to the budget and availability control, then maintain number ranges for budgeting. Groups button, maintain change intervals. Okay, change intervals. Okay, number ranges which are already maintained. Okay, we can use any one of here. Then define tolerance limits. Define tolerance limit for the availability control. Here, what I have explained just now few minutes back, okay, while ago, what I have explained, now you can see here. Now this is the controlling area. Okay, this is the this is the, what is this one? Let me check here. One. Now this is a profile. Okay, this is a budget profile. Okay, now you can see here. Now 90%, somebody has set 90% option. Okay, now here is the system reactions. Okay, now you can see here the three options what I have explained here. One is a warning message. Here now you just see this example for, okay, you just see some of the example here. 1000 controlling area 1000, you can just observe here. Okay, controlling area for 1000, you just observe these three entries here, how they have set up, how the setup has been done. Now you can see if the budget is crossing at 95%, then system reaction should be the one is that warning message. In case budget is crossing 105, then system is should throw the warning with email, with mail to the, okay, person responsible. In case if the budget is crossing the 115%, then option number 3 completely it should stop to the users. Okay, however you want, you can set. That is what I told. Okay, what I mean, whatever you want, you can set this one. Okay, then let me select the new entries. Let me select the new entries. What is our controlling area? Controlling area is a 111. Okay, budget profile is the 0001. Then target group, let me give any group. Okay, see, if I specify particular group, what will happen? System will consider only that particular internal order group. Okay, that is the reason I'm just giving. Okay, I'm just giving plus plus, so plus plus. Okay, for all groups. Okay, purchase groups, purchase orders, for all internal order groups it will be applicable if I give. Okay, then action. Okay, let me give the action. First see that option number 2. Okay, now usage. Okay, now let me go to the 85%. Okay, in case if system should cross the 85%, the system should send the warning, send the, I mean, system should throw the warning message, and as well as the system should also send the mail communication. But now mail, as of now, we have not, I have not configured mail also I will do the configuration. Then here this is not the place where we need to configuration. Okay, specify the cost element for availability exempt. If you want to exclude any cost elements from this list, you can specify here. Okay, then set up for the, then okay, so then maintain, the next one is the maintain budget manager. Now here what we have done, we just we have set up the limit here. Now to whom we need to send. Now if I go here, understand here the logic also, please understand here. What I have selected, the option is the two, option number 2. Option number 2 is nothing but a warning. It should, system should issue warning message, and as well as it should send the mail communication. Okay, when the budget is crossing the 85, when the budget is crossing the 85%. But now to whom we are to whom we should send the mail. Okay, now come here, maintain budget manager here. Okay, for this controlling area, go to the, what is a controlling area? 111 is our controlling area. Order. Okay, then select the order. Select, where is our orders? A00. Yes, here it is there. Okay, so let me select the vehicle order only. Okay, I don't want to select for telephone. Then object class, come to object class. object class is a okay overhead, okay overheads. Then here you specify the name. Okay, now here at this moment I am the only here, okay, only my name is there. Okay, see, there are, if we are going to specify the username, that user has to be exist in the system. Okay, because if I mention some other user ID, okay, there are many users might be created, but I cannot go because that user might have the separate username, separate password. So that is the reason I cannot go and see whether the functionality is it is working or not. So that is the reason what I am trying to do, I am mentioning my ID only. Okay, so SAP user, then save it. Okay, now then come to the, okay, now budget, then come to the next one is that what we can do original, then how we can set the budget, then slash n ko 22 is the transaction code, controlling area is the 111 is the controlling area. Okay, what I can do, enter from period. Okay, first let me select the, okay, order, let me select the order. Okay, or else if the order is not available, what I will do, I will create the new order. Okay, okay, I think we have already, okay, this telephone expenses, vehicle number, let me select whether we have used any this order. Okay, now overall budget limit, it is nothing, it is there. Okay, now let me select the overall budget. Okay, so what I will do, overall budget limit, let me set up the 10,000 rupees. Okay, current budget planning total, nothing it is there, nothing it is there. The period budgeted amount. Okay, extras, let me select here as availability control, then come to the activation. Let me see here, system activating availability control, system is activating the availability control. Okay, fine, let me save this one. So I just have given is the 10,000 rupees. Okay, document is posted. Now what I will do, let me post the document. Okay, remember this is the one internal order. Let me post the document f dash 22, sorry, f dash 02 slash f dash 02 gl posting, then for fuel expenses, right? For fuel expenses, company code is the company code. Okay, that fuel expenses, fuel. Okay, this is the one. Let me enter here. Now amount is the, let me enter 85%, right? Let me enter the amount is a 10,000 rupees, just for testing purpose only, right? Amount you can take it any how much you want. Then order. Okay, what is the internal order? Then let me select this internal order, then testing T, amount, value date is the, today is the value date. Here well expenses, but why system is not show? Okay, warning message, warnings, we have selected option number 2, but why system is not showing the warning message here? Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, I'll do one thing. SPRO I will create a new internal order. Okay, so that internal order master data define number. Okay, not IMG. Controlling. So internal orders master data order group order manager special function orders create. Okay, let me create the new internal order for vehicles. Let me create the order. Okay, maybe 13 9. Let me create that one. Company code, business area, rolling area. Okay, it's a real order only. Select this one. Enter. Oh, okay, okay. Enter. Settlement receiver. Administration. Let me enter. Here is the 50%. Then CTR. Marketing. Then 30%. Put it like this. Then second. This administration. The marketing department is a 30%. Save it. Yes. Now I have created this one. Then to the KO22 session KO22. Let me maintain budget for this one. 10,000 rupees. Then budget. Okay. Overall budget. Then let me go to the edit availability control. Activated. Now I just have activated. Let me save this one. Okay. Activated now. Okay, now let us try to post the document /n f-02 for fuel expenses, right? This is the one. 10,000 rupees budget. Let me select this budget 009 testing. Yeah. Let me try to post this. Okay, so that we will have the clear visibility. Now you can see, yeah, now you can see the reaction. Okay, item 001 order budget exceeded. Okay, now what we have defined in the system, we have defined in the system. Okay, the option number 2. What option number 2 we have set up? Option number 2, whenever the budget is crossing the 85%, the system should throw the warning message and it should send the intimation to the budget manager. So as of now, we have not seen the I mean the intimation communication, but once we save this one, then it will get the mail also, it will get triggered. Okay, now the first option number 1 warning message we are already seeing. Okay, now let me enter. Okay, now system will not stop you because it's only the warning message. Okay, now I just have entered. Then let me go and see the now. the message, okay, whether that system has triggered that message or not to me. Okay, then let me go here where I can see, I think I have already shown you. Okay, inside of SAP also there is a mailbox, it is there. Okay, just click on this one, click on this one. Now there are unread messages, two unread messages. Now you can see for two, okay, I got two budgets. Okay, now for first one I haven't posted, but now still it has been triggered for two internal orders. See, now this is the one what we have executed. Okay, in document number 001. Okay, see the document item 001, order 009, budget for the fiscal year 2022 was exceeded by the 10,000 limit. Okay, how it has been triggered based on our configuration, the system has been triggered this one. Okay, now the functionality what we have seen, it is working. Even the similar way you can try to with the zero one option, I mean budget and availability control, the option number one, option number two we have already seen, option number only one and three is the difference between this is a warning message, this is the error message. The completely system will stop you, it will not allow you. Okay, so if anyone is having any further queries about this one, so please let me know.
Vijay, always you need to
Yeah.
maintain this percentage only, a different percentage also you can maintain.
No, no, no. That is what I told, I shown you, right, Shankar? Over there, it's a depends on your requirement. Okay,
Okay.
no need to maintain the same percentage, Shankar. Okay, whatever you want, how much percentage you want, you can mention. Okay, now
Okay.
if I go here, that's what I shown you, right? Let me once again, let me clarify this one. Slash n. Okay, we have seen, right? Somebody has maintained one percentages also, then controlling, come to the internal orders, then budget and availability control, define tolerance limits. Now you can see for 1,000, if I see here 1,000, you can see Shankar here. See, somebody as per their requirement, once the budget is crossed on 95%, then the system should activate one option number one. So warning message. If it is a crossing is a 105%, then option number two, warning message with email communication. Then option number three, what system should do? Okay, it's a error message. Here you can see here.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine. So this is what how we need to understand the functionality. Okay, now if anyone is having, okay, I think it's clear for you people. Then yes. Okay, so the next topic which we are going to start, which I am going to start is a